I've been trying to use software packages for orchestration, and here's some issues or enhancements that we could use. First, if I go to install details, I click down here, I see my install script run, which has a bunch of stuff, and I'm seeing things are word wrapping, and down here things kind of get really messy. What I'd like to see is this to be wider, perhaps even its own tab. Next thing I see is that I only see the install script output. Where is the actual post install script that actually does all my orchestration steps? It is completely missing. I mean, it feels like a bug, but perhaps this was planned. And the last thing is that this install actually takes several minutes, so it would be really nice if I was able to click on this and I would be able to see the progress of the script. Like every 10 seconds, I would see where the script was at. So in case something got stuck in a loop waiting for something, I could identify that issue earlier as opposed to waiting, 5-10 minutes and then finding out things failed. That would really be helpful to speed up this kind of orchestration workflow.